Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Glow with the Flow. My name is Maheen. My channel is all about how to take care of your skin and turn it into a glowy, soft and baby skin with organic and natural products. Today, I'm gonna talk about dark, dry, unpigmented lips and how to solve this issue and make your lips pink naturally. Before getting started, I would like to tell you guys that all of the remedies I'll share with you people are tested and balanced really well, and they will give you 100% results if you use them patiently. Ingredients required to lighten the dark lips are lemons. Lemon is often used to treat dark skin patches and spots. You can use it to naturally lighten dark lips too. The bleaching property in lemon works well as a simple yet powerful remedy for dark lips. I'm going to tell you guys 3 methods about how to use lemon to lighten your dark lips, and you may use any 3 of them which suits you the best. Method number 1 is squeeze a lemon and apply the juice on your lips before going to bed. Follow this simple remedy daily for 1 or 2 months. Method number 2. Take a thin slice of lemon, sprinkle a bit of sugar on top and rub it on your lips. Be sure you are gentle. It will exfoliate dead skin cells so new, fresh skin can appear. Use this remedy daily for a few weeks. Method number 3. You can prepare a mixture of 1.5 teaspoon each of lemon juice, glycerin and honey. Apply it on your lips before going to bed. Do this daily until you see positive results. You may store this remedy in the fridge as long as you wish to. This is it for today. In order to stay connected, do subscribe to my YouTube channel.